So what is the value of y in the equation? 15 to the power of y times 5 to the power of 2y minus 2 times 9 to the power of y minus 1 equals to 1. So the first thing we will need to do here is to express this 15 in terms of 3 times 5. And so this is going to be 3 to the power of y times 5 to the power of y times 5 to the power of 2y minus 2 times 9 is expressed as 3 to the power of 2. We have raised power of y minus 1 equals to 1. So we have expressions with identical bases. This is an expression in base 3. This is an expression in base 3. So let's put them side by side. This is 3 to the power of y times 3 to the power of 2 times y, that's 2y. 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. We have times, this is 5 to the power of y times 5 to the power of 2y minus 2 equals to 1. So we are going to apply the first law of indices here that says that when you multiply expressions with identical base, you add up the powers together. So y plus 2y minus 2 times the base is the same here, where that's 5 to the power of y plus 2y minus 2 equals to 1. So this is 3y plus 2y minus 2 times 5 raised by y plus 2y minus 2 equals to 1. So let's simplify this further. This is 3. Y plus 2y is 3y minus 2 times 5. Y plus 2y, 3y minus 2 equals to 1. So, looking at the expression on the right hand side, they have an identical power. The power is 3y minus 2, 3y minus 2. And so this can be written as a single expression as 3 times y. We group this together to the power of 3y minus 2 equals to 1. So 3 times 5, that's 15 to the power of 3y minus 2 equals 2. So the expression we have here on the right hand side is 1. And we know from the laws of indices that whatever that is raised to the power of 0 is 1. The base on the left hand side here is 15. And what we have here on the right hand side is 1. We can rewrite this 1 in terms of base 15. And that will be 15 to the power of 0. 15 to the power of 0 is 1. So we haven't changed anything really. So if 15 to the power of 3y minus 2 is equals to 15 to the power of 0, the base are the same, and we said this is equals to this expression, then the power must be the same. So 3y minus 2 equals to 0. So we have 3y equals to plus 2, and y equals to 2 over 3. Click on the subscribe button for more videos.